on a nigga full flex. White gold, diamond rolling rent stress.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabrielle Chance, aka Gabby, and today we're going to be testing out some new brushes that I got off of Amazon, and they're by the company. So let's go ahead and get things started. I'm going to take the concealer brush from the set to conceal my eyebrow. I'm going in with dark cocoa from LA Girl. Just like that. Just use a combination of long strokes as well as short strokes. And right off the bat, I could tell you that I prefer this brush than my LA Pro concealer brush. I prefer it better because that brush soaks up a lot of the product. Concealer brush, I'm going to apply some of my Sacha eye primer in the shade Matte Toffee to my eyes, and for this product we don't need a lot. Just take my hand and feather it all out and upwards because I don't want any harsh lines. And these are the eyeshadow brushes that I have from this company. For my eyes, I'm gonna take my bronzer as well as my contour duo, and this company did not even give their brushes any name. Didn't even number them or anything. So I guess that's one downside to things. So I guess that's the one side to these brushes, but other than that, they're completely soft. And this is what I used to use. And for face, I have 4 brushes. So we have the flat top, we have the round one, we have this tapered one, and then there's this angled brush. And I'm gonna take my black opal stick foundation in the shade Carob. And apply this to my face. I don't want to apply like too much. See that I will blend it out with one of the brushes. Just got. So I'm taking the flat top brush, and I mean, you guys could tell me if you think this brush will do a great job at blending out any foundation, whether it be stick, cream, so just so that you could see what we're working with, I'm gonna do half of my face. so blended. Not blended. What do you think? Did it do a good job? And if you hear these bristles, I'm doing my makeup. I'm not beating my face hard. It's just that this mic picks up everything. I think it did a great job at blending out this cream foundation, but just for extra measures and to push this into areas that I didn't get with the brush, I'm going to take my beauty blender, my dark beauty blender, and go ahead and do that. And push the makeup into the corner of your nose. Make sure you get your ears and your neck. For Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y505, and I'm just gonna take this small concealer brush, squirt some on there, then apply it. And I will not be using every single brush from the set on my face today, but as time go on, you definitely will see them pop up again. So I think that using this baby for the first time, and what you guys give me your opinion on this. Okay, I bought the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Yo, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay, there's some in the cover. I'm gonna play with my wet brush, my wet sponge. Whew. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the round brush. If I want to go in and bake, then I'll go in and bake with the sponge. Now what I mean. It's so nerve-wracking. Go into my HD Flawless powder foundation in Natural Matte in the shade Mocha. first time since I'm doing my makeup. This is the first time I would be bronzing. I just went out and I saw, I was like, okay, let me try bronzer. Looked up a few videos, and then there were people like using bronzer as a contour when you're not supposed to. You're not supposed to, okay? So don't do it. Bronzer is supposed to give you like a glowy type of skin, like where the sun would naturally hit, as they say, a sun-kissed look, not as a contour, because then your face will look muddy. So it's from Kleancolor. It's a matte bronzer and it's in the shade Luna Matte. I'm gonna apply it with this tapered brush again. I don't know if it's the right brush to apply with. I don't think we need a lot as well to do that, but let me know if you see the bronzer. And then bronze up the face, man. And I'm bronzing before I apply my contour, because I really don't know how it works. You know, so every month or so I'll try something new with my makeup. Or am I being biased? Do you see anything? Do you see anything? Oh, tell me now. We're going to contour, and as you know, I use the Contour Duo by Nickak angle brush, and we're gonna take it in the dark shade. And remember, in my last makeup video I said I don't know what this shade is. Surprisingly, it's a bronzer as well. So just for comparison's sake of the two bronzers, here are they. Which one do you think would fit better? Or does this one just looks good on its own? How it is. So I have my contour on, angle brush, and we want to apply it. I'm gonna take that little clean sweep. I'm gonna go back over with my powder brush. So here we are with the final look. Tell me, what are your thoughts? Are you loving it? Are you not? Yeah, so just give me your feedback on things. So just to recap of what was used in this entire video, starting with the brushes. This concealer brush, do I love it? Yes, I do. These 4 eyeshadow brushes, Again, I love them. And these 4 face brushes. And to just give me this inner highlight, I use this brush as well as the smoke out the under eye. But I would say that this is not a good brush to smoke out the under eye with, but it's a good brush like inner highlight with. So with the items on my lips, I have my bliss sticks. For highlight, I used 1, 2, 3. For my eyebrows, I use Magic setting powder. And yes, give me your feedback. Do you think it's a great setting powder on me? Do you love it? Or do you not? I wanna know. To set my face now, I used this and bronzer from Kleancolor. And again, give me your thoughts on that. Let me know if you like it or not. If you like this, you can also give me tips on how I could improve. Yeah, you can give me tips on how I can improve. So watching, comment, subscribe. Definitely subscribe to my channel. There are more stuff coming for you guys. Not only makeup though, not only makeup, but yeah, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and also share this video. And thank you for the support. Bye.